Hi, this is Nathan Gilbert with Meridian Financial Partners, and welcome to the first Meridian Market Minute of the new decade. Happy New Year to you and your families. As we look back on the last decade, it's important to remember that every year had something bad or something concerning to worry about. And the markets, with a few exceptions, pretty much shrugged off those worries, even though in the moment it felt like it might be the beginning of another bear market. And as we enter a new decade, everyone's wondering when the market will drop again. At some point it will, and we don't know exactly when or why. But David Lebowitz with JP Morgan put out a recent article that reminded us of all the things that happened in the past decade that we were worried about in the markets, like Greece's debt credit rating going down, the US government bond debt downgrade, the Eurozone recession, Ebola, US dollar spiking and oil crashing, Brexit starting, 3 hurricanes in 1 year in the US in 2017, the S&P selling off 20% at the end of 2018, actually right in December of 2018. And then last year, of course, the main headline was the US-China trade relations. And all of those things affected the markets in the short term, but for the most part, we've seen the market go up. So it's important to stay invested and stay appropriately invested for your time frame, even though every single year there'll be something new to worry about. And in 2020, I'm sure there'll be more. Obviously, right now it's Iran. But one of the statistics that Mr. Lebowitz put in his article was over the past 20 years, 6 of the 10 best days occurred within 2 weeks of the 10 worst days in the markets. So yet another reminder that it's almost impossible to time the markets. So please keep that in mind as you invest for the next decade. And when you're at the cocktail party this weekend, I think the question for your friends is, how is your portfolio positioned for the 2020s? Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next week.